The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you find this video and podcast helpful. If you need some help, please feel free to call us at 515-207-2006. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. We serve all of Iowa. We're also happy to meet with you and provide most legal services virtually without requiring you to leave your home. Enjoy the video.
Hi everyone, this is Robin with Learn About Law, and in this video we discuss how long businesses in Iowa should keep their records. We'll answer the following questions. Does my business need to keep every document? How long does my business have to keep each record type? What are the consequences of not retaining records for the required amount of time? Does my business need to keep every document? New businesses have enough to worry about, what with needing to secure financing, working space, hiring employees, developing systems, etc. And on top of all that, trying to keep track of which documents can be deleted or shredded and which must be kept for what amount of time. Does something as trivial and as simple as an email from one coworker to another need to be filed away on a server for the next 40 years? The easier question is to ask what documents are required by law to be kept for a set amount of time. Some of the more common documents that need to be held for at least 7 years include tax records, including W-2 forms, 1099 forms, canceled checks, supporting tax documents, bank statements, deposit slips, charitable contributions, etc. Credit card statements, IRA, and other retirement plan records, brokerage and dividend reinvestment statements, home and investment real estate purchase documents, monthly business bills, loan documents, and medical records. How long does my business have to keep each record type in Iowa? Having an organized and thorough record retention system is not only helpful in the event a company gets sued or audited, but also makes business planning, tracking business details, and maximizing efficiency much easier. But what's the golden rule on record retention? And does it matter for a small business versus a large business? Many people throw around 7 years as the gold standard for holding onto a record. After that, it's no longer a legal liability, right? Unfortunately, it's not that simple, and record keeping should be the same for a small business as it is for a large business. Below is a list of the major document categories and suggestions on how long each should be retained for legal protection. Business income tax returns and supporting documents should be kept for a minimum of 3 years and up to 7 years just to be safe. Contracts, leases, and other business agreements should be held permanently or for at least 10 years after the contract is completed. Employee files and employment tax records should be retained for at least 4 years, but since they can sometimes be pulled into an audit or income tax records, keeping all tax records of any kind for 7 years is a good practice. Business asset records and loan documents should be retained through the life of a loan for any business property or contract, and then for 7 years after the loan is paid off. If a business deals with patients of any kind, medical records should be retained for at least 7 years from the last patient appointment. This also includes any digital or physical copies of medical imaging and test results. What are the consequences of not retaining records for the required amount of time? Failure to properly retain records can result in tax penalties, failing an audit, being fined by the IRS, suspension of business or closure, loss of a lawsuit, or possible criminal charges. Thanks for watching. To learn more about recording keeping requirements in Iowa, check out our article link below. Be sure to leave any questions you have in the comments and subscribe for more legal content daily.
Hello again, this is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you enjoyed this video and podcast. If you did, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to our channel. If you need legal help in this or any other area of law, please do not hesitate to reach out and schedule a consultation. Most consultations are free and all can be conducted remotely if you'd like. Please email us, book online, or call us at 515-207-2006. We have many locations for your convenience. We serve all of Iowa. Thank you again for watching.